Welcome back to day 2 of our 100 days of DevOps practical learning series. Today we are going to learn something very practical. How to create a temporary user with an expiry date. Well, imagine you have a developer, intern, or maybe a vendor who only need access for a limited time. Instead of manually remembering to remove their account later, you can set an automatic expiry date. That's why the account will disable itself once the time it's up. Let's start our demonstration series how to create user account with expiry date. Today I used for practical lab in Ubuntu machine in my AWS server. I just SSH accessed this machine. Okay, let's start to create a temporary user with expiry date. Sudo useradd -e. E flag means expiry date. Then the date format is year, month and day. Then username 2025 hyphen 09 hyphen 15. That means 15 September 2025. Then username used I used temp user and hit enter. Just created our temporary user. Next, everyone don't forget to set the password for the new user. So sudo passwd username temp user. Set just password. Successfully update the password and then check the temp user is actually set the expiry date or not. Just add sudo ch means change, as means time, hyphen l mean list and username temp user. This is so the user all information here. And that's it. I have successfully created temporary user with an expiry date. This is a best practice for short-term access management and help keep our system secure without manual cleanup. Okay, in day 3 we will continue with another hands-on DevOps exercise. See you soon. Bye.